Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install carpet with Shaw flooring, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install carpet with Shaw flooring, start by gathering all necessary tools and materials. You will need carpet padding, a utility knife, tape measure, carpet stretcher, tacks or glue, and a hammer. Begin by measuring the room where you will be installing the carpet. Ensure accuracy by measuring the length and width, then multiply these dimensions to find the total square footage. Purchase a carpet that exceeds your total square footage to account for mistakes and cuts. Next, prepare the subfloor by ensuring it is clean, dry, and free of any debris. If needed, replace any damaged areas of the subfloor before proceeding. Lay down the carpet padding, covering the entire floor surface. Secure the padding using staples or adhesive as required. Once the padding is in place, roll out the carpet in the same orientation. Make sure the carpet lies flat and is free of wrinkles. Cut the carpet to fit the room using your utility knife, leaving an extra few inches along each edge. This extra will allow for proper trimming once the carpet is secured. Use a carpet stretcher to ensure a tight fit against the walls. Start at one wall and slowly stretch the carpet towards the opposite side. Be careful not to overstretch, which can cause damage. Secure the carpet along the edges with tacks or by applying glue, depending on your chosen method. Trim away any excess carpet with your utility knife, ensuring a clean edge along the walls. Finally, inspect the carpet for any wrinkles or uneven areas. Smooth out any imperfections to create a flawless finish. Your Shaw flooring carpet installation is now complete, providing a fresh and comfortable look to your space. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.